Hey guys, welcome to our channel The Butter Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a fish curry recipe which is a popular and flavorful dish made with fresh pond fishes and a blend of spices. By eating fish, you'll get a high quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, low in saturated fat, and it is rich in vitamins and minerals. So come, let's dive into the cooking process. For making this recipe, I have cleaned and taken fresh pond fishes. Any white fish works well. So we have to do the marination for this. By marinating the fish before cooking, it will give you a super taste to the curry recipe. So for this, add 2 tablespoons of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 3 tablespoons of red chili powder. Coat the fishes with all the spice blend. If you want, you can add 1 tablespoon of oil also. Coat it nicely and keep this aside for 1 hour or at least half an hour for some time. And for the curry recipe, I am taking tamarind here. I am taking around 150 grams of tamarind. So I am adding 100 grams of new tamarind and 50 grams of old tamarind, which you will find the color difference in both. And add some water, wash it nicely, strain the water, and now add the fresh water and let it soak for 5 minutes. And let this keep aside for some time. Now take a kadai and add around 100 ml of vegetable oil, or otherwise any oil as per your preference. Add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Once it gets splutter, add 2 big chopped onions. Add few curry leaves. Combine well together. Saute for 2 minutes. Let the onion soften. Now add around 1 big size of minced garlic. Combine well and saute until it softens. Add 2 big size of chopped tomatoes. It is around 1 cup. Let it saute for 2 minutes. Mix it well. Close the lid and let it cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will feel that the tomato gets softens. Now add the tamarind juice into it. I got around 150 ml of tamarind extract and I am adding 200 ml of water into it. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and salt to taste. Combine well together. Now close the lid and let it cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame. After 15 minutes, you'll feel that the water is rolling boiling and you'll feel that the thickness. Once you feel that, you just add the marinated fishes into it. Add all the fishes one by one slowly. Ensure that the curry recipe should be thick, then only you have to add the marinated fishes into the curry. Add all the fishes and close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes, just garnish with the cilantro or coriander and serve hot. The fish curry recipe is ready to taste now. For the tips, use fresh fish, which is essential for the best flavor and the texture. Try with different types of fishes. Experiment with different type of fishes like salmon or tilapia for varying flavors and textures. So try it out and let me know how it turns to you. This will be very tasty recipe. After trying this recipe, ping me in chat box how it came to you. So see you in the next video. Thank you all. Bye bye all.